Getting better at Irish isn't easy, but it is simple. There's 4 parts: speaking, listening, reading, and writing. You have to do a bit of each one every week, and you have to be curious. What does that mean? If I'm reading an article here as Gaeilge, and there's 5 words in the first sentence I don't understand, I should be overjoyed. That's a brilliant chance for me to go look up those words, learn them, understand them, so that next time they come up, it'll be no problem for me at all. If I want to get better at playing the piano, I don't run around the piano, I don't do push-ups to make my fingers stronger, I don't study the anatomy of the piano, I sit down and I play it, even if it's at the most basic level of playing the scales. Even if you've got no one to speak with, speak by yourself. You can do it any time of the day. Think in Irish in your head, even if it's really basic stuff. Run yourself into stuff you don't know, and then use whatever resource you have, a teacher, the internet, a textbook, a folklore, whatever it is, to learn that thing, and then you have it. That means you're getting better. And that is the last detail. Make sure you're not lying to yourself. I sometimes say to people, oh, I'm a reader. I like reading books. And then I think over the last week, how much have I actually read? I've read like 10 minutes over the last week. It's easy to think you're doing something. When you actually analyze how much of it you're doing, you might not be doing that much. Make sure every night when you're going to bed, you've learned something during that day, that you feel like your Irish is at a higher level than it was when you woke up. That could literally be learning 3 nouns during the day. You barely had any time to practice, but you learned 3 new nouns or 1 new verb or whatever. It's something. It's 1 step forward. It means you're better going to bed than when you were that morning. It's not easy by any means. I understand that. And this is coming from someone who sells content, who sells courses, but I'll tell you now, there's no revolutionary method or hack or study system that's going to make it way easier for you to learn the language. You've got to put in the time, but you've got to do it directly. Speak, listen, write, read, and most importantly, enjoy it.